Hey guys, this is Carlos Garcia with Investing with Chris. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate Coinbase Pro. This should not take too long. So when you have a Coinbase account, you basically get a Coinbase Pro account no matter what. You can log in with your same login and everything that you use for regular Coinbase. We have a video which I'll link in here that shows you how to make a limit buy, to set up a limit buy, so that way you're paying cheaper fees. The fees are just way cheaper on here than they are in regular Coinbase. So when you set it all up, you're basically going to put in your banking. You're going to get that all set up yourself. I can't help you do that. You're just going to go into your account up here in the corner. You're going to see banking. You're going to see all this stuff right here, and we'll just run through what you need to do to set that up. This is your portfolio. This is where any coins you hold or own will be in here. It shows everything in US dollars, so you'll see how much money you own in crypto. It will have a total up here. I'll show you available balance, holds on your orders, and your available balance, your deposits, your withdrawals, all that. I'm not going to click any of that, but yeah, it shows you everything. It shows you everything you're doing. These are your orders. Click here, shows you what you have set up for your orders. If you have any sales. So yeah, so right now there's a sale set up, so it's just chilling right now. The main part of this though is your trade. So you're going to go into trades here. Up here is you select your market. You have USD, USDC, BTC, DAI, and Ethereum. These are all your pairings. So right here, if you go USD, this is what you can buy it with. So it's basically BTC to USD, ETH USD, XRP to USD. You have all these pairings that you could buy with USD, is what it's saying. USDC is your stable coin. So a lot of people will trade out and they'll trade to a USDC coin. So that way it never loses, because USDC is basically pegged to the dollar. So it's stable all the time at a dollar. And they'll pull trades with the USDC. But you can trade with Bitcoin also on here. It's got BTC to XRP to ETH, and so you can use Bitcoin to trade with also. I never use DAI. I rarely use BTC and Ethereum anyways anymore. I just don't like transferring it. I mainly use, if I buy here, I use USD, or I'll buy XRP and transfer it to Bitrue and trade with XRP on Bitrue. I'll buy my XRP here. I hold all my bank account and all my information just on one exchange, and I use Coinbase because Coinbase covers you. They're like a bank. They offer up to 250K to cover you in insurance, and I keep all my information here, and I transfer XRP to wherever I want to trade on a certain exchange. I just send it over there. It's there like in 4 seconds, and then if I have to, I'll either change it to USDC, so that or Tether or USDC, depending what stable coin they have. I'll change it to that right away, so that way I don't lose value. Or if I'm going to make a trade right away, like on Bitrue, I'll just use the XRP to make the trade right away on Bitrue. But that's pretty much the gist of this right here. These are just all pairings, what you can buy in. So if I clicked XRP there, and it'll show my USD balance, my XRP balance, if I had some, and then then you can set up your market. A market buy is you're buying at market. So whatever this price is, 0.637576, you're going to buy at that, but it fluctuates so fast, excuse me, that it could just, like, even though you set market, boom, boom, and you hit boom, and you hit place order, this market can change so fast that you can end up paying more or less. It just depends. And then limit, of course, you set your limit, and then stop loss. That's kind of confusing. We'll get into that later. Um, Stop loss buy or stop loss sell. And I think that's pretty much it. So if you go into portfolio, there was something I wanted to say here. Oh, in your portfolio, you could deposit. And what's cool about it is if you're on Coinbase, so like if I wanted to transfer algo, and since I have a Coinbase, regular Coinbase, it transfers instantly to you from your Coinbase to here. So if you can actually have coins on Coinbase and it transfers pretty quick. It's instant. And then here's your crypto address. Use your address to transfer to wherever you want to transfer to. We'll make a video on that later. If I transfer, I want to get some more XLM, but I'm just waiting. I don't know if the price is going to go down. And I think that's pretty much it. Bank transfers, if you did a deposit of bank USD, it's pretty much instant. That's what this little thing here is. What it is they'll transfer. You can get your bank transfer going and set up, and say you transfer $1,000 into this account, they'll let you purchase crypto right away. And what they'll do is, say you bought XRP, XLM, Ethereum, they'll let you spend that $1,000, but they will hold that crypto till your bank clears the $1,000 and their bank also clears on their end. So that crypto won't be, you have the buy, it's yours. The crypto will just sit in your account, in your portfolio, till it's ready to be released, until they receive their money, basically. But I don't know if everybody gets that option. I know I have the option, but I think they are starting to allow everybody to have the option to purchase automatically. So you can come in here, transfer your money, whatever you want to do. You don't have to wait for it to clear. You used to have to wait like 3-4 days for your money to clear. Now you can just go and buy your crypto, and they'll hold your crypto till your bank clears the money. I think that's it for now. That's pretty much it. It's pretty easy. It's simple. It's not hard at all to do. If you have any questions, you could ask me or Chris. Shoot us a DM or just post it in the Investors Club, and we'll get to you guys and answer to you. There's also a lot of other people on here that know what they're doing. So any other videos you guys want to see, let us know, so that way we can make them. Anything in crypto, let us know, and we'll make sure we make those. That's about it. Thank you.